Good morning, children. Welcome to today's EVS class. In today's class, we'll continue learning block 1. Today's topic is same and different. You know that we are learning about myself. That is the topic, no children? You learned how to introduce yourself. You know now your likes and dislikes, and also you know how to express your feelings, and also certain feelings how to control also. So as a continuation, today we will learn how are we same and how are we different. You can see the picture here. You can see two kids, and you can see how are they looking similar, what way they are similar, that is what all they have in common, similar, and how are they different from each other. Yes children, we all have different body parts, right? Head, eyes, ears, nose, all of us have, but we are in that way we are similar, but the shape of the eyes, nose differs from one person to another person, and we look different from each other. So let us get started children. We will learn same and different. We already know the names of our different body parts. Today we will learn how we are similar to and different from each other. So as I told you, today there are two keywords. That is mirror and the features. Mirror means a thing in which we can see ourselves. You might have kept the mirror in front of you, so you want to see yourself. Just you can take the mirror and you can see yourself. So mirror is a thing in which we can see ourselves. Features. Features mean parts of a person or a thing. So what are the different parts we have? That is our features. Same way anything also has different parts. So that is the features of the thing. So mirror and features. MIRROR, mirror. Features, FEATURES. So these two are the today's keywords children. As usual, we'll start with the activity. So today's activity, just you have to look into the mirror what you are having. Hold the mirror and you see yourself, and we'll play a game called the Simon Says. So you all know that game, no children? Simon Says. Whatever Simon says, you have to do. So let us try to do that activity. So you can hold the mirror, and when I say, you will follow that. Simon says touch your head means you have to touch the head. Simon says touch the eyes means you have to touch the eyes. Simon says like that. Whatever Simon says, that's what you have to do, and you hold the mirror in front of you and you do this children. Do with the smiling face children. Yeah. Simon says touch your eyes. Very good. Simon says touch your nose. Simon says touch your ears. Both the ears. Touch both the ears. Simon says touch your neck. Simon says touch your head. Yeah. So you can see all these are the different body parts you have. So now you are going to compare with your friend. So if it is in the class, you might have played with your friends. So even now you can play this with your friend. So when you are playing this with your friend, even they also will be having the head. Your friend also will be having the eyes. Your friend also will have the nose as you had. Your friend also will have the ears. Yes, no children, neck, whatever you had. Both are similar only. Then how are we different from each other? Yes. So we have, how many eyes you have? 2 eyes. How many nose? Touch the nose means only one nose. Both the ears I said. So you have 2 ears. Neck I said only one. Head, one head. So like that. This is common for all, no children? All will have one nose, 2 eyes, 2 ears. Yes. So this number will not change. This is common for you, your friend, and even for all the people surrounding you. Then how are we different from each other? So this is our similarities. So let us see. Let us try to watch this video and understand children.
Eyes, nose, lips, hair, and hands and legs. But we can have different eye colors, hair types, shapes of eyes, We all look different from each other.
Yes, no children, did you understand? Yeah, we look different. You can see this picture of these two kids. Both have two eyes, two eyebrows, one nose, and one mouth, 2 ears. These are the similarities. How are they same? How are they different? See, the boy is having curly hair, the girl is having straight hair, and see the color of the eyes differing. The boy is having the black color and the girl is having blue eyes, and the size also small eyes, and she is having big eyes. Like that, we will be differing from each other in certain ways. Yes, no children? Yes, children, we'll continue. So, in what ways do you and your partner look different? So, you can take any one of your best friend as your partner for this game, Simon game, and then you all might have noticed that you all both have two eyes, one nose, two eyebrows above the eye, and you both have hair on the head. Many similarities are there, but what way we are different? We are different by the color of eyes, shape of the eyes, and shape of the face, like that. So in your rough book, today's activity, just you write the topic EVS and one similarity between you and your friend. You think your friend, and one difference from your friend. So you can write there, children, how many eyes you have, how many eyebrows you both will have. Similarity means how it is same. Difference, how are you both different, what type of hair, long hair, short hair, like that you think and you can complete it, children. Yes. So now the color of our eyes and skin are different. Even sometimes the skin color also differs from person to person. One of us has straight hair, others has curly hair. The shape of our eyes and nose are also different. The shape of the eyes, nose differs, and size of the hair, long, short, even the type of hair, curly, straight, silky, it differs. Color of the eyes also differs, and color of the skin also differs from one person to another person. Yes, children. So what similarities, what way we are similar? Even that's what we played, no? Touch your eyes, touch, Simon says, touch the eyes, touch. So we all were able to understand that we have same body parts. Yes, all the human beings have the same body parts. We have two eyes, one nose, 2 ears, 2 hands with 10 fingers, and 2 legs with 10 toes. Our eyes and skin color may be different. Our height also differs. Some of us are tall, some of us are short. The shape of our nose and eyebrows also differs. So we'll see here the similarity. Similarity is, similar means how are we same? Body parts, the number of body parts is same for us. But how are we different? Shape of the body parts differs. Type of the hair differs, and color of the eye and hair also differs. Some have slightly brownish hair, some have dark black hair, like that. Even color of the hair also differs. Skin also, some of us are brown, wheatish they will be, some will be having a brighter than the wheatish color, like that. We differ in the color of the skin also. So in your book, only one similarity between you and your close friend, and one difference between you and your close friend. Not about anything. You will be writing about the how we look, body parts only. You have to take it as criteria, children. How are the body parts differing? Yes. Do you look similar to your parents? Now for other all activities I said you can keep your mom or dad only as your partner. Yes, no, children. But here I told only your friend. So now see there that it's a time for you to compare with your parents now. See, are you looking like your parent? Do you see in any way you are similar to your parent, children? That's what you are going to write in your notebook down. Yes, you can see this picture. See here. Here is the mom and the daughter. You can see both of them are almost, they are looking like same way. In your family also you might have heard they will be saying that you just look like your daddy, just you look like your grandfather, just you look like your grandmother. Yes, children. So this is also one way we are similar from our, that is your grandfather's was carried by your father, and from the father you got, or from the mother you got. So see in this picture, same way you and your mom or you and your dad might be looking similar. No children? Yes. So some of our features match, not all. Sometimes it will match with our parents or grandparents. Some of us may have eyes like our mothers, while some may have noses like our fathers or grandfathers. These are called our features, and some of them pass on from our grandparents to our parents and then to us. So that is by heredity we will be getting that shape of the nose and all. So now it's a time for us to see. Yeah, children, let us see what is given in your content book. By now you all know to identify the content book, workbook. Yes, no children? Yeah. See, today we are learning lesson 4, same and different. All of us have the same body parts like eyes, a nose, lips, ears, hands and legs. But the color of our eyes, skin and hair, the type of our hair, our height and the shape of our body parts are different from those of our friends. This is why we all look different from each other. So if you are now unable to read this big sentence, just you can see the picture of these two girls and you can see that they are different from each other. How? First we'll see how are they similar. Both of them have two eyes, no children? Two eyes? Yes. Both of them have one nose only? Yes. Both of them have the two eyebrows? Yes. 2 ears. So like that the body parts are same, similar. Now how are they different, you see? See this girl. One girl is having the curly hair who is in the left side. Curly hair. The other one is having straight hair. And the left side girl, she is having the black eyes. The other one is having the blue eyes. And this girl is having the thick nose and the other one is having the thin nose. And you can see the girl who is in the left side, she is shorter compared to height, I am saying. And the other one is tall. Some of our body parts may look similar to those of our parents, grandparents, brothers or sisters. Why do we look like our parents? Our parents pass on the same features. So we learn the keyword features, no children, to us. Like the color of our skin, eye and hair. That's why we look like them. So this is what it is has been carried by your parents, from your grandparents, from grandparents to great grandparents, from them grandparents got, from grandparents your parents got, from your parents you got that. So that is the like the genes you got, children. So now how are we similar and how are we different? I hope you are able to understand, children. Now just we will see. Yes, children, now let us see what is given in the workbook. It's time for us to complete the workbook. So today as usual you will write the date 1.4, worksheet 1.4, same and different. Label the parts of the face. See here already they have given you eye, lips, nose, hair, ear and eyebrow. So it is not going to be difficult for you to pick and write from the box. See the first one, A is what, children? It is the hair. Very good. B is eyes. C, children, nose. D, eyebrows. E, ear. F, children, F is the lips. Spellings are up only, just you have to see and bring it here and put it. So that is not going to be difficult. Now second question, look at the picture and answer the questions. Write two things that are same in both of the children. So what do they have in common? What will be same for both children? Yes, two eyes, one nose. Just simple words you can write, two eyes, one nose. How are they different, children? One thing only, by their hair color. Color of hair or the shape of nose. Anyway, one thing from the text content book you can keep it open, you can see and you can write one way how are they different. Spellings you no need to worry, just you can see the content book and you can write. Simple way. Again I repeat, write two things that are same in both the children. You can write two eyes, just two eyes, comma one nose. That's enough. One thing different, just you can write shape of nose or the color of hair. Color of hair you can write, shape of nose, shape of eyes, size of the eyes, or any one among this you can pick and you can write, children. Write one way in which you look similar to your parent. How are you similar to your parent? My nose is like my father, my eyes are like my mother, my hair is like my mother. So one thing how you are similar to your parent, father or mother, you can write on your own children. Hope you will complete it. As usual, let us see what is given in the content book as practice questions. Tick the things that can be different in two children. Shape of the eyes, number of ears, color of hair, fingers on hand. So now you have to tick which that can be different. Shape of the eyes can be different. Yes, so you can tick. A you can tick. Number of ears will be different, children. No, same. So no need to tick anything there. Color of the hair can be different. Yes, tick it. Fingers on hand, all will be having the mostly 10 only. No, children, all of them, almost all. So no need to tick that also. Name 3 parts of our face. So now today's one more work is in your activity book. The rough book is you will draw the face, that how it was given in the workbook, and you can even 3 parts you can name: eyes, ears, nose, like that. Simple spellings you can pick and you can write only. Name the 3 parts. Draw the faces of 2 children. Write how the faces are similar and different. So today, this one, as we are going to complete the lesson 4, these 2 questions, 2 and 3, you can do only drawing, no children. So you can do in your EVS notebook itself. So far I told you do in the rough book only. So today you can do this 2 and 3 questions in your EVS notebook, but when you are writing in the EVS notebook, you will do it very neatly. Write the lesson name, that is the block name. If you write also enough. Block 1 you write, date you write, and you can write practice question as heading, and just you can do the answers for the question 2 and 3. You can mention lesson 4, question 3 and 4. That's enough, and you complete, children. So in today's class we have learned how are we different from each other and how are we similar. Hope so you understood very well. So as usual, you read the content book 2 to 3 times, and then you complete the worksheet and the practice questions. But today's practice question I told you to do in the notebook, drawing the face and marking 3 parts, and again drawing 2 different faces, yours and your friends, and you will write how you are same and how you are different. One if you write one thing if you write same and different also, enough, children. Let us meet in the next class, children. Bye bye, children.